everyone. Okay, today we are covering the décolletage area. So another area along with our neck that shows a lot of age. So we want to take care of this area and it can be very neglected. So grab your oil and rub it on, or your body butter, whatever you've been using. I'm using coconut oil and yarrow palm oil. So we're going to start today with the rounded edge of the Gua Sha stone. And I'm going to do a rainbow. I'm only going to show one side because I don't have a lot of time. But so starting in the middle of our chest here, our décolletage, and just again, like I told you how to lean your stone against your skin, we're just going up and over like a rainbow. And just pressing enough. You don't need to, make a mark in your skin, but we're loosening up all the tissue in there, and just work your way all the way across. And the next thing we want to do is drain. So I'm going to go up and down. I'm going to do that 3 times. When you do these movements, do them 3 to 5 times. And then the next thing I'm going to do is, after you've drained, it's very important to drain after every motion that you do. I'm going to do like a little patch or a little group of movements and then drain. The next thing we want to do is loosen this area up. So this also promotes collagen production. So we're going to turn it, on the flat side, okay? And I'm going to press it into my skin like this, working my way up and over. Kind of give it a little shake as you press it in. And then after you've worked your way all the way over, you can turn it up and down, and we're going to do the same thing, but work our way this way. Some of your stones may have ridges on this side. Mine is smooth, but. And then we're going to drain. So up and down, up and down. And then the next thing we're going to do, the final part of this, make sure you're doing both sides again. I'm going to use the same thing that we did at the beginning, the rainbow, but I'm going to use the flat side. So starting here and working our way over like a rainbow. This is so good for our décolletage. 3 to 5 times. Now you can do this once a week, or if you have time to do it every day, you go for it. I'm going to use the rounded side this time because I really like the rounded side to drain. Make sure that after you gua sha, you drink lots of water. You are pulling out toxins and making things move around, so make sure that you're draining well and drinking lots of water.